Look at that beautiful sky. I love it when it's like that in the morning. Like, it's just awesome when the sun comes up like that. But it's been just pretty much really warm out for the last little bit, and that's gonna change. We're not out of February yet, and it's gonna really hit us toward the end of the month again. You can only expect that for winter, so we put up with it. We're Canadian and Albertan, so I should just say we're Canadian, because anybody in Canada knows how to handle the snow and handle the cold. People used to say, or people do say, they think we live in igloos, especially people in the South, the ones that don't receive any snow and cold. Yeah, they don't know what cold is. Florida was cold recently, if you consider it cold. But it was cold for them. All right, so I got my coffee here. Sorry. I like making my coffee on camera. No big deal. Yeah, and there's Jersey saying hello. You want to say hello on camera, Jersey? Okay. He says, hey. Hide. Don't hide. Psst, psst. Okay, that's a good boy. You say hello nice. Thank you. Everybody loves you on camera too. All right, let's find that word study. I saw this word, I was like, wow, okay. I didn't do this. It was interesting word. Not many scriptures, but we shall do it. And here it is. All right. Fury. And there you go. There's your Greek. What was the English elements? Feel. That's interesting for an English element on that word. Fury, feel. So I guess it's a strong feeling. I would consider it strong fury, like you're just really agitated or whatever. It goes along with indignation, but human fury is just like that, like human anger. It's soulish. Okay. The concordant scripture for fury, Romans 2:8. Yet to those of faction and stubborn, indeed as to the truth, yet persuaded to injustice, indignation, and fury. 2 Corinthians 12:20. For I fear lest somehow on coming I may not be finding you such as I want, and I may be found by you such as you do not want, lest somehow there be strife, jealousy, fury, factions, vilifications, whisperers, puffing up, turbulences. Galatians 5:20, idolatry, enchantment, enmity, strife, jealousies, furies, factions, dissension, sects. So you see, it was all happening there in Galatia and Corinth. That was a center for all this stuff happening. And Paul was admonishing strongly that this was occurring. Colossians 3:8. Yet now you also be putting away all of these: anger, fury, malice, calumny, obscenity out of your mouth. And Ephesians 4:31. Let all bitterness and fury and anger and clamor and calumny be taken away from you with all malice.